Criminology Board Exam Reviewer. Seminar on Contemporary Police Problem. Contemporary police problem may be classified into the following. Police misconduct is a broad category. The term refers to a wide range of procedural, criminal and civil violations. Police corruption is the abuse of authority for personal gain. Misconduct is procedural when it refers to police who violate police department rules and regulation. Common forms of misconduct: excessive use of physical or deadly force, discriminatory arrest, physical or verbal harassment, selective enforcement of the law, false arrest and imprisonment, perjured testimony about illegal searches. Common forms of police corruption: bribery, extortion, receiving of fencing stolen goods, selling drugs, theft of drugs and money from drug dealer, malicious prosecution, making false report and committing perjury, protecting illegal gambling, theft of seized property, receiving discounts on purchases, selling information about police operation. What are the safeguards against police misconduct? Establish code of conduct. Train new recruit ethically and properly. Investigate and discipline violators. Establish independent body. Trends in the forms of police corruption. 1. Drugs became the major driver of corruption, replacing gambling, prostitution and alcohol. 2. Corruption is systemic in police departments. Standard strategies for reducing police corruption. 1. Create permanent external oversight over the police with particular emphasis on monitoring police officer behavior. 2. Holding supervisors responsible for the integrity of their subordinate. 3. Reforming merit promotion and assignment. 4. Changing police culture. 5. Creating training programs in integrity for recruits and in-service personnel, particularly first-line supervisors. 6. Creating an effective internal integrity monitoring unit. 7. Annually evaluating the integrity of all officers. 8. Making the chief responsible for enforcing all disciplines. 9. Proactively investigate misbehavior. 10. Improving standards for recruitment and training. Information about police corruption comes from several sources. 1. Appointed commission, body of investigation. 2. Civil and criminal investigations of police behavior. 3. Investigations undertaken by the police themselves. 4. Accounts by public media. 5. Observations by outside witnesses. 6. Surveys of police officers and the public. 7. Accounts by people involved in corrupt activity. Being on the pad. This phrase is associated with bribery and extortion, a category of police corruption. Police brutality. They are actions such as using abusive language, making threats, using force or coercion unnecessarily, prodding with nightsticks and stopping and searching people to harass. Most common types of corruption in the plug and play. 1. Case fixing, subjective imposition of penalties or downright sabotage of the investigation process in exchange for money or other things for personal gain. 2. Bribery, receipt of cash or a gift in exchange for past or future assistance in avoidance of prosecution. 3. Extortion, common practice of holding street court where incidents such as minor traffic tickets can be avoided with a cash payment to the officer and no receipt given. 4. Protection, taking of money or other rewards from vice operators or from illegitimate companies operating illegally in return for protecting them from a law enforcement activity. 5. Recycling, use or sale of confiscated items and evidence, usually drugs or narcotics. 6. Selective enforcement, occurs when police officer exploit their officer discretion. 7. internal payoffs, sale of work assignments, day offs, holidays, vacation period and even promotion.